department here at Blue Q. Thank you so much for ordering this display. It is going to sell so many Blue Q bags, I promise. It probably looks a little overwhelming at first, but it's not. It's super easy and we're here to help. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Lily. I'm here to help. Jess, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Match each display panel with its backer sign. Panels are marked with their description and corresponding backer sign item number. Slide the backer sign into U-channel on display panel. Make sure the backer sign is properly seated at the bottom of the U-channel, then set aside. So Jess, you're going to do that for all 8 panels. The header is shipped flat, pop it open. We suggest softening the corners by gently rolling it back and forth a bit. Hey Steven, header core unit please.
Darling.
Gently insert header into U-channel on the header core unit. Make sure header is properly seated in all 4 sides of the U-channel. It can be tricky, but you can do it. Okay, Jess, push those pole sections together. Perfect. Insert threaded end of the pole into the base. Tip the pole and base on its side to access the bottom. Add the small washer, then nut to bottom of the pole. Hand tighten the nut. Hold the pole with one hand as you tighten the nut, hard as you can with the wrench. This must be super tight. We'll start at the bottom and make our way up. Insert one cotter pin through the bottom pole hole. Slide a washer onto the top of the pole, followed by a ball bearing. Slip both down to rest on the cotter pin. Steven, can a girl get a core unit? Slide on the core unit. Rest the core unit in the ball bearing. Then repeat steps 1 through 4 with the same parts at both the middle pole hole and again with a header core unit at the top pole hole. Let's put on that header and we can move on to the panels. Steven, panel! Take note, core units are drilled with 2 sets of left and right holes. Starting with the bottom panels, insert pins that protrude from top of display panel through right holes in middle core unit. Push display panel upward, then drop bottom pins through left holes in bottom core unit. Okay Jess, we're going to repeat the steps for the upper display panel, then we'll do the remaining sides of the display. Just always remember to install the bottom panels first. Jess, you're done. It's beautiful. Fill it up with bags, move it wherever you'd like in your store, and just be sure to lock all 3 wheels.